My name's Anne-Marie Cocker. The business is Fedwen Pods. We're based on the edge of Carmarthen Village in the Afan Valley. So we're from Reading in Berkshire. We were sat at our desks all day, every day. I've got a background in agriculture and wanted to sort of move back to something along those lines and just for a change of life style with a different pace. So we were looking for a bit of space and some land. So the Shared Prosperity Fund has helped us with some additional funding that we needed to do on some works. We had to upgrade all of our water system, which to make it suitable for general use. For the general public, so it's helped us towards that. We've purchased some picnic tables for our guests to use, some signage at the front of our driveway and at the bottom, so just hopefully help people around the site and to find us. So we're going to just try and improve on what's already the facilities that are already here, maybe build an outside cooking area. We've got some alpacas already, but we're in the process of buying some pet boys so that we can start up maybe some trekking next year with our guests, which will be fun. And then longer term, we're looking to have maybe a bit of a farm shop on site, just small scale, and just offer a sort of an all-round experience really. I definitely recommend the economic development team. Have a look at their website, they've got loads of resources on there. I chatted through things through beforehand, which was really useful, and had some questions after I started the process, and they were really helpful, so definitely look at that.